Hello friends, welcome to this new video. So in this video we are going to calculate our subtotals. Now there will be a question, what are these subtotals? So basically I have already told you in our data set we have one template for income statement template, right? So if I show you, if I go to income statement template, so this will be the template on which we will generate our income statement, right? So basically here third column summary. So what are the data present in this? What are the heading present in this one? These are called as subtotals, right? So we will calculate the specific numbers for each and every subtotal with the help of DAX formula. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just right click on income analysis and select new measure. So the first measure which we are going to create is, so this will be revenues. So revenues will be equals to, we'll use calculate. So we have already one measure for income values, comma. So we need type from that particular table, income statement data is equals to revenues. We will close the bracket. So this will be our first one. Now the second measure which we will calculate is COGS. Right, so again what I'll do, I'll just right click on income analysis, select new measures, cost of goods sold will be equals to, again we will use calculate, then income values, comma. Now the next thing is we need category from this one, so I'll just type category. So from income statement data we will select category, so this should be equals to COGS, and it should be multiplied by -1 as it is an expense, right? Now we can hit enter. Now the third measure which we are going to create is gross profit, right? We need gross profit as well, so we'll just start the measure. So what will be gross profit? Gross profit will be equals to simply revenues minus COGS, right? You can hit enter. Then the next one will be gross profit margin, right? If we have gross profit, then we need to find out its margin as well. So again, new measure, gross profit margin will be equals to, then divide gross profit, comma, revenue, comma 0. So this will be the gross profit margin. Now the next one will be, see, we have found out revenues, gross profit margin, gross profit, COGS, and we have already calculated our actual numbers, right? Now, but the main important thing will be what are the other expenses, right? So what we will do, we will create one measure for other expenses as well. So other expenses will be equals to, we will use calculate, income values, comma, we need type from income statement data. So this will be equals to expenses so this is the first case, right? Plus we need COGS as well. Okay, now this particular number, whatever it will return, right? So as these are expenses, so we need to multiply it by -1 to get negative number times -1. Okay, now we can hit enter. So we have other expenses as well now. Now the second last measure which we are going to create in subtotals is net profit. So we will just go to select. We will find out net profit. Now what will be net profit? It is very easy. So net profit will be equals to revenues plus COGS plus other expenses. And at last we need to find out net profit margin. So just right click, new measure. So here net profit margin will be equals to divide net profit by revenue. If written some error, then it will return 0. So we have used divide function here, right? So we have our measures now. By using this particular subtotals, we can generate our income statement. I hope you have liked this video, because in this particular video we have just calculated the measures, right? Which is not that difficult, right? Just we need to find out the specific function which we are going to use for calculating that particular number. So thank you for joining with me in this video. In next video we are going to generate our income statement using our income statement template. Thank you.